Hello everyone and welcome to Autism Connect. Autism therapy is expensive and sparsely available in developing countries. But something that most people use today is a smartphone. So don't you think bringing therapy to smartphones is a good idea? We have done exactly this by automating therapy with the help of experts and bringing it to your smartphones. We start by explaining the effect of autism on the behavior and development of an autistic person who happens to be a user to his family and friends. The user is then taught how to recognize his emotions and how to moderate them. Learning to recognize the emotions of people around him by their facial expressions and body gestures is also an important part of the process. The user is also taught how to find a sensory overload and how to mitigate its effect. We also introduce social conventions to him so as he can lead a comfortable social life. We do not stop here and we do something that convention therapy has never done before. We help him find his own superpower because several people with autism have shown exceptional flair for creativity, logical and mathematical abilities despite being impaired in several other areas. We also back them up with a social network of people with autism, those who were diagnosed too late for therapy or who have already attended therapy. This helps in making sure that they do not feel ostracized, stigmatized and lonely in the case of autism. 1 in 12 people in India have been diagnosed with autism and the number is increasing, and this makes our product the need of the hour. Being diagnosed with Asperger's syndrome at the age of 19, which is on the autism spectrum disorder, I did not go for therapy for 3 reasons. 1, it was insanely expensive. 2, it was far away. 3, I had spent my whole life coping up with the disabilities, so I did not really feel the need to go for therapy. But we do not want children to face the same problem. To support us, let us know who else we should get in touch with and support us with the investments. May the force be with you.